अगर ये एक स्किल आपने सीख ली ना, सो नो मैटर आपकी लाइफ में कितने भी चैलेंजिंग सिचुएशंस आ जाएं, you will be able to handle those situations very easily. Believe me, this one skill is so powerful कि अगर आपने ये एक बार सीख ली ना, you will really become very powerful. Because एग्जाम्स के लिए प्रिपेयर करना is not only about to study the subjects, to revise the syllabus. It's all about how you handle your mind, how you handle your stress, anxiety, overthinking, fear, pressure. And if you learn how to manage these emotions, then you will be able to manage anything in your life. And if you want to learn how to manage your emotions, which is called being emotionally intelligent, then just listen to this. First, take a sip of water because our mind always needs hydration. Please take a sip of water. Now, close your eyes. Take a deep breath. Again, take a deep breath. Relax your shoulders. Relax your mind. Stay in silence for a few seconds and let the music work on you. For the next few minutes, you don't have to fight with your emotions. You don't have to surpass anything. You don't have to suppress anything. You just have to listen and allow your mind to understand how it feels to become emotionally intelligent. I am emotionally intelligent. Yes, I am emotionally intelligent. I understand my emotions. I respect my emotions because I don't let my emotions control my actions. I feel, I pause, I understand, and then I respond. I am emotionally intelligent because I know emotions are not my enemy. Fear is not my enemy. Stress is not my enemy. Doubt is not my enemy. In fact, overthinking is also not my enemy. These emotions are signals. They are messages from my mind. They are trying to tell me something. When I feel fearful, my mind is asking for more preparation. When I feel stress, my mind is asking for clarity. When I feel tired, my mind is asking for rest. And when I feel comparison, my mind is reminding me of my own desire to grow. So I don't judge my emotions. I listen to them. I understand them. And then I guide myself. Because emotional intelligence means I don't react blindly. I respond wisely. Because I know emotional intelligence does not mean I never feel sad, I never feel anxious, I should have to be positive all the time, I have to suppress my emotions and pretend everything is okay. Earlier I used to think strong students does not feel weak, but now I understand strong students also feel weak sometimes. But the difference is they don't let the weakness decide their action. Earlier, I used to think if I feel fearful, that means I am not ready. But now I understand fear does not mean that I am not ready. Fear means that this exam is very important for me. Earlier, I used to think if I feel stressed, something is wrong with me. But now I understand stress is not always weakness. Sometimes stress is simply energy because it gives me courage to work more, to study more. Earlier, I used to think I must control every emotion. But now I understand I don't need to control every emotion. I need to control my response because emotions will come, but I will decide what I have to do next. I build emotional intelligence step by step. First, I pause whenever a strong emotion comes. I don't react immediately. I take one deep breath. I create a gap between emotion and action. There is a small space, and in that space, I choose my response. Second, I name that emotion. I ask myself, what am I feeling? Am I feeling fearful or am I feeling guilty? Maybe pressure or comparison, or maybe I'm feeling tired. Because when I name the emotion, it becomes less powerful, it becomes clear. And then I ask myself, what is this emotion trying to tell me? Does fear means I need more revision? Does stress means I need better planning? Does guilt means I need to restart? Does exhaustion means I need reset? Does comparison mean I need to come back to my own journey? I choose the next right action, not the emotional action, the right action. If I feel fearful, I revise the topic again. If I feel guilty, I restart again. If I compare myself, I focus on my own plan. If I feel tired, I take a conscious break. If I feel anxious, I breathe and come back to what is in my control. This is how I build my emotional intelligence, not by denying those emotions, but by understanding them and responding better. Emotions are like waves. A wave rises, stays for some time, and then slowly settles down. If I fight with the wave, I will get tired. If I get panic inside the wave, I will feel helpless. But if I learn to float, I learn to breathe, I learn to stay steady, the wave passes. Same way, fear comes, stress comes, doubt comes, anger comes, comparison comes. But I don't become the wave. I watch the wave, I breathe through the wave, and I let it pass. Because I know I am not my emotions. I am the one who observes my emotion. Emotions are like warning lights on the car dashboard. If the fuel light turns on, you don't break the dashboard, right? You understand the signal, you fill the fuel. Same way, when stress comes, I don't attack myself. I ask, what needs attention? When fear comes, I don't call myself weak. I ask, what preparation is needed? When exhaustion comes, I don't call myself lazy. I ask, what reset is needed? My emotions are not here to stop me, they are here to guide me. So now, whenever I feel anxious before the exams, I will remind myself this anxiety means These exams matter to me, and now I will breathe and focus on what I can control. When I feel guilty for wasting time, I remind myself feeling guilty will waste my more time. When I feel angry because things didn't go as planned, I remind myself a disturbed mind cannot make the best decision. First, I have to calm down and then decide. When I feel exhausted, I remind myself my minds need charging. When I feel fear of failure, I remind myself fear is just a thought about the future. My action is in the present. So from now on, I am not the one who is controlled by the emotions. I am a student who understands emotions. I am not someone who reacts immediately. I am someone who pauses, breathes, understands, and responds. And responds because I am emotionally intelligent. I handle pressure with calmness. I handle fear with courage. I handle guilt with restart. I handle comparison with self focus. I handle stress with clarity because this is who I am. I am calm. I am aware. I am emotionally strong. I never suppress my emotions. I understand them and I guide myself. So from now on, whenever I feel overwhelmed, I will remind myself pause, breathe, and respond. So from now on, whenever I feel any emotion, I will remind myself that I am emotionally intelligent and I pause. Then breathe and then respond to that emotion and try to understand what that emotion is trying to say. Now repeat after me. I am emotionally intelligent. Again, one more time. I am emotionally intelligent. Come on, one more time. Repeat after me. I am emotionally intelligent. Last time. Repeat after me. I am emotionally intelligent. I understand my emotions. I choose my response. How are you feeling? Feeling emotionally strong? Because these emotions are not there to make you feel weak, that you are incapable. These emotions are the signals. All you have to do is just name that emotion, understand what that emotion is trying to say, and then decide your response. And now, if you feel that you can handle your emotions, then type in the comment, I am emotionally intelligent. And now, with this energy, go back to your books, give your 100%, and whenever these emotions come, pause, take a breath, try to understand what these emotions are saying, and respond accordingly. Take care. Bye bye.